What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, today I wanted to talk about Polkadot and AMP, just some amazing projects, guys, and definitely some good movements within and some good patterns and targets which are going to be happening any day now. I want to make sure you guys make these gains on your favorite exchange. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some serious efficiency. For those of you who want to make better gains, head right over to the student program and get signed up. Links are below. And if you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. And guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. And for those of you who haven't followed me on my socials yet, I literally changed the color of my eyes on the Bitcoin price, which way I'm leaning for that day. Make sure you follow me on my socials. And if you want specific coin requests, you have to become a member. All right, guys, so we're going to start with AMP. And I haven't changed this chart since the last time I did an AMP video, which was, geez, I think actually back on the 22nd of September. So it's been a while. So guys, this is exactly what I'm looking at right now. And to be honest, I think we're still going to get this move right within this circle like I predicted before. Now, what I would do with this pattern right here is, because we've had so many moments of breaking it right now, we can actually widen the berth here. So for instance, just go something like this and go right through with brief moments of oversold territory. And then same thing on the bottom. Notice the extension. And there we have our perfect channel, guys. Remember, as patterns develop, we then get patterns within patterns, okay? So then dice up the patterns within the big channel here, or the descending wedge, and then play patterns within patterns and indication plays to make your trades a reality. But even in simplicity, guys, with this big pattern here, I want you to play the resistance and the support. So for instance, let me give an example. Say like right here, say like we actually break right here. That would be hilarious because I predicted it way back here. But guys, look at this. Say like we get the indication play right here. Remember, there's three types of buys: the breakout play, the indication buys, or a pattern buy. Okay, you can take the indication play right here. And yes, there could be many pattern buys within there too, but just for an example here on the bigger time frames, you'll probably get the indication play right here, the breakout right here, and guys, you can ride that for gains. Use wedge theory measured from the back, okay? Just like so. Taken to the point of breakout, whichever way it goes. Okay, and that's where you're going to get your target projection, guys. So if it breaks up to the upside, we're looking at 0.073, okay, and to the downside, pretty low, guys. I mean, 0.021 probably, okay, just a guesstimate, but you guys get the idea. Play the major resistances of the pattern, and then, guys, let's just zoom out real quick to see where the major static resistances are. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour. Okay. Now, okay, here's what we're looking at here. So, for instance, I did take some profit up here on AMP, a little bit right here as well. And guys, I'm very happy I did. But that being said, I also accrued at this major support right here as well. So I got basically the same amount of coin back at a little bit of a better rate with some gains, okay? So what I want to look for in these moments is the major resistances. So, for instance, the ones that I see are right here, okay, way up here. Okay, then we have one right down here, okay? And then we have one right here, okay? Now, guys, once we break these major resistances, we can actually start to think about retesting the next resistance, okay? But what I do see right now with AMP is we are walking down, okay? We're walking down like so, okay? We don't want to walk down and retest the support right here. We want to put in a trend change and start to trend up. So this next move that's going to happen is very important. Play the EMAs in congruency with the trend to make these trades a reality, guys, and then play the resistances of the patterns and the support, and then dice up those patterns within patterns, okay, guys? Now let's jump right over to Polkadot, okay? Now, obviously a very, very popular project, guys. I mean, this, geez, it was only $4, went all the way up to 40-some dollars. I mean, this is Chainlink all over again here, guys. Amazing times on this project. Let's just zoom in a little bit, because we are basically retesting those major resistances right now. I mean, we're right at them, and then all-time high is right here at almost $50, guys. We're very close to that. Some extreme bullish favor. Notice we do have just about every EMA under our belt right now. We are kind of teetering around the 20, but let's just go down to the 1 hour, see if we see anything jumping out at us, okay? Give me a second here. Okay, so a few things. We could be in a descending wedge right here, something like this, okay? Let's draw this up. Okay, so eventually we're going to get a retest of this resistance, it looks like, because the stotch is loaded up, the volume is decreasing. That means we're going to be moving to the right, and then we're going to be retesting the 20, and then most likely the resistance of this pattern. Now, Notice what happens with the signal line. If it crosses back, then you're going to expect a drop down or basically a bounce off resistance, and we'll retest the 100. Okay, guys? And that's exactly how I want you to play it. Say like we break down, ride it to each EMA. Okay, but then also use wedge theory for your target projection. Okay, easy stuff, guys. Really easy stuff. Watch for the resistances to be broken and or support, and then play it accordingly, guys. Easy money all day. There's no excuse to be missing these gains at this point, guys. If you're watching my channel not making gains, I mean, my gosh, I feel bad for you at this point. And if you're not making those gains, guys, head right over to the student program and make sure that you are. You have a lot of time. I'd say 28 years to make a lot of money, but guys, do you really want to wait another 4 years? You know, you have a good year here to make some serious money. Bitcoin is going to be very high over the next year. I'd be dumbfounded if it wasn't. I'd be very surprised. And guys, my bags are packed, and every dime I get is continuously being put into cryptocurrency so that I can maximize my profit potential and make some serious gains for me, my family, everybody that I care about, guys. Bring this knowledge home to your families. Join the student program, guys. You won't regret it. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. Those two projects are epic, guys. I'm very glad I got in on both of them. I see some very high sides within this super cycle. Some really nice peaks, guys. And once we hit top logarithmic bands, and if you don't understand the bands, another reason why you need to join the student program, that's when our optimal cash out points will be, guys. Make sure that you are maximizing your profit potential by understanding these cycles and cashing out at the right time, guys. And just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle.